Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a new package called ErrorStack, and this has been developed to make error handling a lot easier. So you're probably familiar with this screen over here on the left, and this is what Flutter would basically display if something goes wrong on the UI, and then we just basically have to work out how to fix it from this screen, which isn't the best experience. So yeah, we've developed ErrorStack. You can see over here on the right, it's just a lot nicer and easier to understand the error, see the page where it happened, and also we can actually just search Google for the error from the device. So yeah, there's a lot of really cool things we can do out the box with it. To get started, just head over to Nylo.dev and just download the project. And when you build and run for the first time, you'll get to this screen. All you need to do is make sure that your app provider, which is here, it's using ErrorStack, just like this. And yeah, that's literally all you need to do. At the moment, we just have one page. We're going to create another one called demo. Let's do that. So that's going to create us a demo page inside our router. And this is basically where we're going to like simulate the whole crash. So we're going to set a variable down here. Let's just call it maybe app version. And we're going to set this equal to a type, a type list. And we're going to try to assign that to a text widget, which isn't going to like it. It's going to throw an error because the text widget only accepts strings. So yeah, the next thing we just need to do is link this page to the home page. So yeah, from the home page, let's just remove maybe all of this. And we're just gonna have one button. It will just say demo page. And on tap, we're gonna just route to the demo page. So yeah, that's all we need. Let's build and run. And you can see this is like our new UI. If we tap this now, we're gonna head over to the demo page, and this whole error should now be kind of simulated. So yeah, let's try that. And you can see, yeah, we do get an error because yeah, type list is not string. So yeah, we can do a few things here. Obviously, we can do dark and light mode, which I know is quite important nowadays. And we can also see where the error happened. We can also see from the console too where it happened. We can just jump straight to that line. From the console as well, we can actually just jump straight into Google to actually figure out how to actually resolve it too. So that will happen for all your errors if it can find a way to resolve it. And you can actually do it from the device too. So if we just hop on over to Google here, you can see, we can just do it straight from the device. And the last thing is reset app, which is really cool. If we tap this, it's going to reboot the whole project and basically start us from scratch again. So we're able to just basically use the app again. And if we actually did manage to fix this now, let's just set that equal to string and then go to the demo page again. You can see now it's working and we didn't have to manually rerun the app from from the IDE. So yeah, that's like a quick overview of how it works. One thing that I know people probably ask questions about is how this would look in production. So in production mode, obviously we wouldn't want to show all this data to the user because they wouldn't know what's going on, and it's too much data really to share. So in production, it actually won't even use this UI. It will use a different UI, which I'll show you. So let's go to, I'm gonna have to run this on a Pixel because the iOS emulator doesn't allow us to run production. So I'm gonna run this app in release mode, you can see here. And yeah, let's just use number one, which I think is the Pixel device. It shouldn't take too long. Yeah, that was pretty quick. And now if we head over to the demo page, we get a different error widget, and this is just for production. So yeah, if your app is in release mode, this is basically what will be shown to the user if something does happen. So if you want to use a different widget instead of this one, you can override it by going to your app provider. And then inside here, we got use error stack. We can then use the error widget like that. And this is gonna, basically give us the error. And inside here, we just need to basically return a widget. Actually, we could print the error, maybe send it to I'm not sure, maybe a Crashlytics or something here. And then inside the container, we could just say an error code and just keep it like that. But yeah, you're welcome to obviously create your own widget and um, make sure the app has something that makes sense to your users. So I'm just going to build and run the app again, and you'll see that the actual error now has changed. And if we head over to that page, you can see that's what we get. And yeah, we also get that printout down here. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Error Stack's like a really useful way to handle errors, in my opinion. Please like and subscribe, it helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.